Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Hyundai Sonata without its key. Please understand that this process carries significant risks and should only be attempted in emergency situations and only on your own vehicle. Ensure your car is in a safe, secure, and private location. You will need basic tools like wire strippers and a multimeter to identify the correct wires. The first step is to gain access to the ignition system. You'll need to carefully remove the plastic covers around the steering column. This usually involves unscrewing a few fasteners and gently prying the covers apart. Once exposed, locate the main wiring harness that connects to the ignition switch. A wiring diagram for your specific Sonata model will be invaluable here. Next, you'll need to identify three crucial wires: the constant 12-volt power wire, the ignition wire, and the starter wire. Use a multimeter to confirm these. Once identified, carefully strip a small section of insulation from each. Connect the constant power wire to the ignition wire to power the vehicle's electrical systems. Then, momentarily touch the starter wire to the constant power wire. Before attempting to start, ensure the transmission is in park or neutral to prevent unexpected movement. With the ignition system powered, briefly connect the starter wire to the constant 12-volt power source. The engine should crank and start. As soon as the engine runs, immediately disconnect the starter wire from the power source to avoid damaging the starter motor. Remember to remove all temporary connections once the car is running.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.